Hey friends, Adventure John here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I've got something cool. I can't wait to show you. Okay, let me show you. So guys, check this thing out. This thing is so freaking cool. Let me turn it around where you can see this side. So now when I go somewhere that you can't, like you don't have a fire pit, like right here, I don't have a fire pit right here. Don't have a fire pit, no big deal. It comes with some lava rocks and a lid. And that's a cast iron grate. Got it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So tonight, we're going to check this thing out together. I've never fired it up. Okay. So before I do anything stupid, I want to try to light it before I put the lava rocks in. Just make sure it lights. That's a pretty long cord. It looks like it's, I don't know, maybe 10 foot. All right. So let's see. I would say I'd say that works. Awesome. Get my chair out of the way. Flame on. Okay. Before I get it hot. Before I get it hotter. It came with 3 bags of really light. Really light. There we go. At least that wind will blow away the dust. Okay, what do you think, guys? It's beautiful. Those legs on the bottom, they fold up too. I thought that was pretty cool. Got lava rock dust on me now. Cool. Okay, friends, so today I'm going to make us some breakfast burritos. Breakfast burritos. I got some grass-fed ancestral blend beef from Force of Nature. Amazing stuff. Pasture-raised eggs from Vital Farms. You know, some of our members, Mark Kobe cheese. I got to go over there to get that Kobe Jack down there at the Sam's Mart. Got some Simply Nature salsa there. Hatch 575 chilies. If you ain't never heard of the Fresh Chili Company, you need to check them out. That's some good stuff there. Watkins taco seasoning and some low carb, some carb balance, keto-certified tortilla shells. Now, I'm living that low carb life again. All right, you guys know what Wagyu is? My wife picked these up over there at the Costco. Ooh, these are good. They're greasy as hell though, but they are delicious. Beef smoked American Wagyu, naturally wood smoked. They're good if you like greasy. I love greasy, so it's good. All right, let's get started. Who always got one of these old sharps laying around? Ancestral blend. This is regeneratively sourced. It's got that ground beef, beef liver, and beef hearts in it. Delicious. Bam, this is one of my favorites. Dr. Pepper Zero Cherry. I got a vanilla, it's really good too. Y'all like my GoPro? I got my GoPro on. I'm trying to do something special there today. Oh, it smells divine. Oh, the world is right again. That's really good. I am trying to do keto again right now. I came off of it for Thanksgiving. So I used to be around 320. I got down to like 290, like low 290s. I'm just a little heavier than that right now, but I'm just balancing back out. When I say keto, I'm not like strict keto. Oh my God, I got to be keto. It's got to be 60% fat. You know, I don't do that. I just cut out my carbs. Not all of them. My simple carbs like bread and stuff like that. These tortilla shells, they're keto certified. That's dirty. Let's just be honest. That's dirty keto. But it does work. That beef's starting to sizzle. I better start paying attention. Yeah, I better start paying attention. I'll start paying attention. I left my microphone over there. Hope y'all didn't miss anything good. Yeah, so if you guys were wondering if that liver texture, like you can taste that liver texture, you can't. And my wife eats this, and she doesn't like liver, and it works fine for her. And she knows it's in there. I wouldn't do that to my wife more than once. Oh yeah. Oh boy. You betcha. Oh man, yeah. Woo. Starting to look good. Add a little bit of that Watkins taco seasoning. Now this right here is the low sodium one. This I ain't alpha. Since I'm not actually in ketosis right now, I'm gonna watch my salt just a little bit for a couple more days. Once I get in there though, I never worry about it. This little grill's alright. We'll zoom in a little bit. That looks pretty good. It almost, to be honest with you, got like a little bit of a chorizo look. All right. There we go. Beautiful. So I'll tell you something cool about these Vital Farms pasture-raised eggs. You can go to their website and type in whatever farm says here. This red farm right here says Foxy Layers. And if they have their cameras set up, you can actually see the chickens that lay these eggs, or at least potentially the chicken that laid your eggs. These have them nice dark yolks too. And they sell this organic. Kroger has these organic. I buy these at Walmart. Oh man. Oh man. Let's throw a couple 10 eggs in there. Well, I ain't got 5 in this pan. I mean in this pot. Oh, I love cooking outside. All right, let's see what we got here. Now let's mix these on up in there. Yeah. Look at that. Bet we can cook this. Taking it off the fire, still cook it. Oh yeah. Okay. So now what do you think I gotta do now? Got some of these right here. Carb balance, keto-certified, 0 sugar. Living that low carb life. Well, I think this is very American. Oh man. There's a plate. There's a wheel, there's a way. Chunky salsa. Oh, you know what else I brought? I get this over at the Costco too. Organic avocado mash. This stuff is absolutely delicious. All right. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of that out there on it. You know, when you're out camping and stuff, sometimes you just don't have everything you need right there at your disposal. Look at that. Put a little cheese on there. Okay. I'm gonna put some like this. Just like that. Oh baby. I ordered 6 jars of green because I went through the green so fast. This stuff here, now this red is a little spicier, but this is Hatch 575 chili. It's a red sauce, medium heat. This comes from Hatch, New Mexico. And guys, woo, thick and freaking delicious. Look at how it comes out. This ain't no salsa. Look at all that wonderfulness. All right. Look at this. Look at that wonderfulness. Oh, it smells so good. Perfect, man. This took no time at all. Woo, that 575 got just a little right amount of heat to it. The salsa says mild. Guys, I'm gonna put the link to that grill in the comments, in the description, the video description, because man, I like that. That thing worked primo. Woo, look at this. Man, guys, this is a good breakfast. I can't wait to make this for my wife. She will absolutely love this right here. Guys, I do appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you giving me your time. Hit that subscribe button if you like this. This was very simple, very easy. I do highly recommend this this propane fire pit. And I recommend you trying some Hatch chili and getting some of that Force of Nature beef. They got it beef, deer, and bison with the ancestral blend, so the heart and the liver. You ain't gonna go wrong with that. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Let's get lost.